We're going to add 20, that's 2 tens this way, then 7 units this way, right? So let's add 2 tens here. 1, 2. So adding 7 this, remember if this one is filled up, you bring another one here. So adding 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see, it's 64. Your answer is 64. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joan. So today we are doing a educational video, which is the finger mathematics. So I don't want to talk too much. If you are new here and you are ready to learn the finger mathematics, you need to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that we can have a conversation while learning this process, right? So what is abacus finger math? It is a fun way of teaching children how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using their fingers. So I'm teaching everything in this series. So I'm going to explain from the scratch down to the top in this video because I'm getting new persons that want to learn it. So this class has to be an interactive class, so you ask your questions and everything. And remember, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can follow this series. Please, I don't want when we are through start coming back and forth, back and forth. So please, thank you. Let's just go into the video. I'm going to start from the scratch right now. If you tag this as 5, you can only do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division as 5. Maximum will be 5. But if you tag it as bigger numbers, you can do your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with those bigger numbers, right? So we're going to give our fingers different tags. So this is your tens and your units. Tens and units. Tens and ones. Some call it units or ones. Tens and ones. Tens and unit, right? Okay, so let's start our video. So this number means 5. When it's like this, it is 5. It is not like this. This means 5. So why this one? They mean 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This means 5. Remember, this is for your units. Everything here, your right hand is for your units. While this represents your tens, your left hand represents your tens. So that's why I have to back you, because if I'm like this, I don't know how you are going to turn your brain and start. So let's just do it like this. So this means 5. Why this one represents 1 1 1. So if this is out, is 4. If this is out, is 2. If this is out, is 1. Everything here means 1. Why this one means 5, right? So this is for your tens. This means 50. Why everything here 10 10 10 10. This means 10 10 10 10. Why this means 50. Okay, 1 to 100. When you count 1 to 100, then you can do additional multiplication forward. So when you count from hundreds to 1, you can do subtraction and division. But this class is for counting 1 to 100 twice. I'll do count 1 to 100 twice. Then I'll like ask you to represent some numbers. I'll also represent the numbers. Then do simple addition. So I'm going to do 2 classes today. So the next class I'll start doing some basic addition. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, I did not say 5, I said 5. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I go over it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's represent some numbers. Represent 2. Represent 4. Represent 5. So let's represent 7. Represent 9. Represent 8. represent 6. So let's see how you represent 5. Try to represent 5. Let's see. Okay. So let's see if you got it correctly. So this is our 5. Did you get it correctly? You have to say it in the comment section. So you represent 3. Let's see. That is easy. Did you get it? You see. Represent 7. Represent 7. Let's see. Okay. So this is 7. Did you get it? Or no? In the comment section. So represent 9. Okay. Represent 9. Let's see. So this is 9 because this is 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let's go above 1 to 9 in this video. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you get to 9, goes 10. Okay, remember I said this is 50. Why this is 10, 10, 10, 10. So this is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is 90. Okay, so this is 90. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, that's 20, 2 and 0, 20. This is 19 and this is 20. 19, then 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, that's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, that's 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, that's 44 and 0, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, that's 50. 50, I'm going to ask you some questions, right? So you represent 10. Let's see. Did you get it? So this is our 10. So you represent 15. 15. Let's see. So you represent 18. Let's see. 1 and 8. So your 10 goes, okay, you represent, let's see. Like, of course, I can't say, so you mark yourself. How did you do in your assessment? So evaluate yourself and you tell me, did you score 9 over 10, 2 over 10, 3 over 10? Remember, there is no shyness in this. Before I did this mathematics, I scored 2 over 10, but now I'm teaching you. So I wish I gave up when I scored 2 over 10. So you can say, oh, I don't understand. Please, these, ask your questions. Ask your questions. I'm here to serve you. Okay? So this is represent 15. Let's represent 20. Let's represent 32. That's 32. Tens and units. So here we go. So 32 is actually easy. So you represent 47, 47, 47. So let's see if you get 47. So this is your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 as your 10, then 7. So you represent 49. Let's see if you get 49. So you know why this is 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 49. So represent 50. Did you get 50? This is not 50, please. This is 50. Okay? Don't do like this at 50. This is 50. This is 90 because 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, right? So let's count. This is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Remember, when this hand is finished, you have to close it. And as you are closing it, you are bringing one here. If you close it the first time, 10. Close it the second time, 20. Close it the third time, 30. Close it the first time, 40. Close it the fifth time, 50. Close it again, 70. 60. Close it again, 70. Close it again, 80. Close it again, 90. When it is 99, you go to 100. Okay? So this is 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So I want you to count with me. So we're at 65. I'll be silent and I want you to count with me. So I'll be silent. I'll be silent. Let's do this thing. So you represent 52. 52. 52. That's tens and units. Did you get it? So U represents 67. 60 on your tens, then 7 on your units. 50 and 10, then 5 and 2 on your unit. So let's do it. 67. Did you get it? Okay, so you represent 75. 75. Did you get it? So you represent 88. 8 this way, 8 this way, 80 this way, 8 this way, 88. My fingers can go like this. 88. So now it doesn't matter if your hands are like this or provided you know it is up. Whether it is like this or it is like this or it is like this or it is like this. Provided you know what it means. You know what it means. It can be like this, but you know what it means. You may not straight your hand may not be as straight as this, but you know what it means. So this is 88. 88. So you represent 97. 97. I'm going to give you time. 97. You represent 97. This is 2. We are to add 3 to it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Remember our counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we are to add 2 to 3, so this is 2. We are to count 3 steps further. So let's count. So let's count 3 steps further. 1, 2, 3. So let's do 5 plus 3. So this is 5. Add 3 to it. So your answer is what? 8. So let's do 4 plus 4. So this is 4. We're adding another 4 to it, right? Let's add another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I repeat again, 4 plus 4. Remember you're counting. When you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you go to 5, right? So the same way you are counting, 4 plus 4. When it is 4, adding another 4 to it, you go to 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 8, right? So let's do 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. This is 7. We have to add 5 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember you're counting. Remember you're counting 1 to 100. When you get to 9, you go to 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's the same way you do in this your addition. So I do it again. This is 7. So we're adding 5 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. This is our 6. So we are to add, sorry, this is our 6. We are to add 7, which means we are to count 7 steps further, right? So remember you're counting 1 to 100. When you get to 9, you go to 10, you go to 11. So this is how you add your 7. So this is 6. We're adding 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 6 plus 7 is 13. Remember your counting. When you get to 4, you go to 5. When you get to 9, you go to 10, and you continue your counting. So let's do 6 plus 7 again. This is our 6. We have to count 7 steps further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do 9 plus 9. 9 plus another 9. So this is our 9. 9 plus 9. So this is 9. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're adding another 9. Remember you're counting 1 to 100. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the next number is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So from 9, we're adding another 9. So from 9, we'll go to 10 and start counting. So this is 9. We're adding 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is our answer? 18. Remember you're counting 1 to 100, so the same way. So if you didn't get your counting 1 to 100, you will not understand this thing. Remember I said I have done counting 1 to 100 3 times. So just try it on your own, do your revision, try it on you, get it. If the children can get it, you also get it. So let's do 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. So this is our 8. We have to count 7 steps further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Let's do it again. 8 plus 7. So this is our 8. We have to count 7 steps further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do this one includes tens and units now. So let's do 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. So this is your 12. We're adding 13 to it. So you add your 1 to your tens, then you add your 3 to your units. Let's add our 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 25. Okay. So let's do 24 plus 25. 24 plus 25. So add 2 here. 1, 2. So we'll add 5 here. We'll count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 24 plus 25 is 29. And 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4. So I have to add our 4 because it's a unit number. We have to add it here, right? So this is 36. We have to add 4 to it. So let's add our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, all my fingers are open there. I'll go to the next number on your tens, right? So let's do another one. 28 plus 22. 28 plus 22. So go to, this is 28. So this is 22. You have to add 2 here. You have to add 2 here. So add your 2 here. 1, 2. Add another 2 here. 1. So this is finished. And remember, from 40 you go to what number? 50. From 50 you go to 60. So this is 28. Let's do it again. 28. So we have to add 22. 2 here and 2 here. So add 2 here. 1, 2. So add 2 here. 1, 2. Okay. So let's do another number. Let's do 45 plus 12. 45 plus 12. 45 plus 12. So we have to add 1 here. We have to add 2 here. So if we're adding 1 here, this is 40. We're adding 1. That's the tens. That's the 10. So it goes this way. We're adding 2 this way. So this is 1, 2. So 45 plus 12. gives you what? 57. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's do 35. We're adding 27 to it. So we're going to add 20, that's two tens this way, then 7 units this way, right? So let's add two tens here. 1, 2. So adding 7 this way. Remember, if this one is filled up, you bring another one here. So adding 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see, it's 64. Your answer is 64. So let's do another one. So let's add 32 plus 28. So these are our 32. So we're adding 28 to it. So we'll add 2 tens this way. We'll add 8 units this way, right? So this is 32 plus 28. So let's add 2 tens here. 1, 2. So let's add 8 units here. Remember, if this one is filled up, you take one here. So we're adding 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 60. So let's do another one that says 33 plus 49. 33 plus 49. You can do anyone you want to do first. So this is 33. So this is 33. We're adding 49 to it. So you add 9 this way. You add 4. So let's add our 9 here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So add our 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 33 plus 49 gives you 82. 33 plus 49 gives you 82. So let's do another one. It says 19 plus 57. 19 plus 57. So this is 19. Or you can say, okay, you can go to 57 and add 19 to it. So we have to add our 1 tens here and our 9 units here, right? So let's add our 9 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So add our 1 here. 1. So our answer is 76. Our answer is 76. So let's do 58 plus 28. 58 plus 28. So we have to add 2 here, we have to add 8 here, right? So let's add our 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, so let's add our 2 here. 1, 2. So 58 plus 28 gives us, it gave us 86. It gave us 86. So let's do the last one. 45 plus 45. 4 here, 5 here, 4 here, 5 here. 45 plus 45. So let's add our 5 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add our 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 45 plus 45 gave us 90.